Hey guys, it's Kylie, Madison, and me, and today we are doing a slime video. We have a crunchy slime, a magenta butter slime, and a glow-in-the-dark sparkle slime. And please like and subscribe to this video if you like it. Now, let's get on with the video.
Alright, so Elle, which slime are you going to start with first?
I'm going to start with this slime right here. This is my glow-in-the-dark sparkle one. So this one I made a couple days ago, and later this night we're gonna make another video of us 24 hours in my backyard maybe, and then we're gonna make some sun around. So we have this slime, of course.
Should we show them how beautiful it is when it goes under the...
Okay, we'll show you
dark.
the glow-in-the-dark clay.
Shoot, can't see.
So as you can see, it glows. It's a beautiful glow. Okay, so that was our first slime, and this is our second
Here
slime.
is the crunchy slime, the purple crunchy slime.
Yeah, I made this a couple days ago. Sam made this day. I made all these slimes on the same day, so. And if any, I'd like you guys to follow me on my Instagram. If any. So yeah, this is our crunchy slime. And then the next slime we have is our magenta butter slime.
This is the magenta butter slime that Elle made a couple days ago.
Okay, honestly, I think we could do a really good Instagram star with this. Ready? Okay. Ah. Okay. Slowly. Okay, wait. Ready? I'm gonna take other things. I'll make 2 Instagram slimes. Okay.
I think the second one's better.
These are our Instagrams.
I like the second one better.
Yeah, the second one was better.
Second one was way much... Whoa, it feels so nice.
Yeah, it's a butter slime. I made it. It made it like regular slime, and then I put some of this model magic in it, and that made it soft like butter slime.
I wish you guys were here to feel it. It is super, super nice.
So yeah, so that is our video today. I would like if you guys could follow me on my Instagram at ellbauer2018, so you can see some more slime videos, and you can see some selfies of me and my friends. So hope you like and subscribe to this video. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.